Yo, Franz, you should try a funded account. Why should I try a funded account? I trade my own money. No, trading a funded account, you can use other people's money and still make money from it. Let's try it. Before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, and turn on bell notifications for the next video. The firm I'm using is MyFundedFX. I've seen this on Twitter, YouTube. I've seen videos explaining that this prop firm is an up and coming prop firm. So that being said, everybody was saying to just be careful where you put your money, just in case the prop firm tries to rug pull it or whatever. If you guys are familiar with that term, it's a crypto term, but basically take all the liquidity out and your money will just be lost. So this is what they were talking about. I seen it. It was really fundamental. It was really easy getting started. The only problem I had was with the server, but they got to me really fast and helped me out. So I wasn't as lost as you would think. If you guys made it this far, I just want to show you guys how the stock trading group is going. As you guys can see, we're up 255% on this contract. If you guys want to learn more about it, join down the Discord below and read down the instructions. Let's get back to the video. So getting started, this is my first trade right here, Ukio USD. I don't know what Ukio is. If you guys are any FX traders and know what Ukio is, comment down below so I can know what that is. I still don't know what I traded till today. So as you guys can see, I am currently down $91, negative $91. That's, you know what I'm saying, that's the prop firm money, not my money. So thank God that we're doing this challenge with a prop firm. So I'm down $90. I think I end up going down negative $135, and it didn't cancel my trade. I had full trust in my trade using my methods and knowing where the stock is gonna be. So we're gonna see how this plays out. It is currently the next day. As you guys can see, we are up, boys. We are up. We are up $131. I want to see how far this can take us, but that was just a quick update. The next slide or the next part of this video should be the ending, so I'm gonna catch you guys there. It has came to the end of the video. No, don't go. I know it's time for us to separate, but if you guys want more videos like this, make sure to drop a comment, say I want more, or if you guys want me to do another challenge, let me know. Food challenge, any challenge for real, because you know we up for it, boys. But if you guys, you know what I'm saying, had a great time here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and turn on bell notifications.